I'm Highlander X, this is eSail, and we're doing the Man Overboard Challenge under sail, no engines. Have to be between 60 and 70 degrees for our heading and above 6 knots, and we are in the sevens, we are cooking. Alright, get set up here. As soon as we hit this, we got this message that goes up and we can't hit our buttons that we need to hit. There's not really any way around that. Now we have to heave to. Get this boat slowed down. Alright. Now we gotta put away our jib. Not the right line. Oh, we also have to send a distress. Go to the mat room and hold your distress button down for 5 seconds. That's done. Now we can take care of our jib. Oh shit. There he is. I did not realize we were so close. Gotta get that horseshoe out. Come on, give it to him, give it to him. There we go. Alright. We gotta start setting up. We still gotta get our jib up. Come on. Let's go, people. Skull and Bones, that's my crew. I don't know which one's which, because, to be honest... Oh, yeah, I guess they do have armbands, don't they? Yes, they do. Okay, we got that done. And then put that back on in case we need it. Alright. Now we gotta come around. Where are you? Where are you, buddy? Out here, you only got 3 minutes. Right? You only got 3 minutes. Where are you? There you are. Come on, come on. Oh, shit. 2-4. Is it too fast? I hope it's not too fast. Alright. Global rank 5. We saved him. Alright. This is my boat. This is the Ghost. The Ghost ship. My crew is Skull and Bones. And yeah, that's awesome. That's under power. Number 5. Well, I'm happy with that. I have played this for hundreds of times. I've done this mission, and I just wanted to get 1,000 points and in the top 10. That's all I wanted. And you know what? Thanks for watching, and have a great day.